Bowie, can you explain the difference between roller skates and rollerblades to everyone? No? Hello everyone, welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a channel all about roller skating. So if you're trying to learn how to roller skate, or you roller skate and you want to see tutorials, reviews, and general roller skating lifestyle content, then this is the place for you. I highly recommend, and Bowie recommends, that you subscribe. So today we're going to talk about the difference between roller skates and rollerblades. Oftentimes people get these two confused, and I mean, it makes sense. If you don't know anything about roller skates or rollerblades, getting them confused is really easy because they both start with the word roller, and they both are basically shoes with wheels. But the difference between roller skates and rollerblades is this. This is a roller skate. A roller skate has 4 wheels, and the wheels, 2 of the wheels are right next to each other in the front, and 2 of the wheels are right next to each other in the back. They also have a toe stop in the front. It's connected to some sort of boot or a shoe, so it could be like a sneaker. It could also be like a nice dress shoe that you connect these wheels to. But the main thing that makes a roller skate is the pattern of the wheels, right? So there are 2 wheels right next to each other in the front, and then there are 2 wheels right next to each other in the back. Rollerblades, on the other hand, is a boot, but then the wheels are all in a line. Rollerblades are also called inline skates. So a rollerblade is when the wheels, they could be 3, there could be 4, there could be more, they could be big wheels, they could be smaller wheels, and they're all in a line. That is the key distinguishing factor. Now, rollerblades and rollerbladers don't like it when you call them roller skaters, and roller skaters don't like it when you refer to their roller skates as inlines or blades. So this video is just to show you the difference. We've got a roller skate here, and we've got a roller blade here. Oftentimes, now see them right next to each other, oftentimes roller blades also have a stronger plastic covering on the actual boot that gives more security and more stability in the ankle, whereas roller skates can be like a sneaker, something with 0 ankle support, or it could have a boot, but usually the boot is more flexible than roller blades. Both of them are really cool, but they are not the same, and this is the difference. Roller skates, roller blades. It's just that they're different. They exercise different muscles. Like, you have to be able to balance differently. It's a different technique. It's just a completely different experience. And whatever you decide to do, whether it is roller skating or roller blading, do you. Enjoy yourself. All that matters is that you are having a good time and getting from point A to point B on your wheels. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Hopefully now you can tell the difference between roller skates and roller blades. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to do something cool and support me, you could join my Patreon, where I post vlogs every week, or you could buy stickers or patches or earrings off my Etsy. The link is in the description bar. And most importantly, what's that, Bowie? Cheers to the queers! Roller skates, roller blades.